What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I will be going over the one trading strategy that not a lot of traders know about. I recently learned this strategy myself and I was able to implement it on a trade that I took on Alibaba. So I'll take you guys through the charts and that specific trade that I took and show you how to play this. If you go on to enjoy the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content. So now that I have Alibaba pulled up on the daily time frame, I'll take you guys through exactly what I was looking for. Whoa. Didn't mean to do that. I'll take you guys through exactly what I was looking for and what this specific strategy is. But the first thing I want to show you guys is why I was even looking at Baba to begin with. And initially Baba was on my watch list just because they were trading at 320 and they started to downtrend it pretty tremendously. So the first thing that I noticed on this chart was right here was this triangle pattern that it was forming. And no, this triangle is not the strategy. Everyone knows what a triangle is. But anyways, right here we can see that they form this triangle. And right here towards the apex, it starts to get tight. So I was expecting a break either to the upside or downside with this stock. And obviously Baba had bad news and it broke out of this triangle pattern and it actually gapped all the way down to about 212, 211, and then that candlestick closed at 222-ish. So this is the start to the strategy that I want to show you guys, is this initial gap down. And I'll start to draw this out for you guys. We'll see that it creates this gap right here within the price. And after that gap down, we'll see that it starts to consolidate for a little bit. It trades sideways for a couple of days. And after that, I'll draw the next part of this pattern out for you, and it's called a island gap reversal. So we see right here, Baba gaps down, trades sideways, and then gaps back up, and then it continues to go up. And this right here is called an island gap reversal, and I'll show a picture on the screen for you guys. You can see that the stock is downtrending, it gaps further down, and then quickly reverses the other way with another gap. And you do want to be careful with this strategy and wait for confirmation, because typically you can get breakaway gaps, and I'll show you exactly what that is. Here you can see Baba was up here, gaps down, trades sideways, but doesn't gap back up. So in this case, this isn't an island gap reversal because it's not showing a reverse in pattern. However, it's just a gap away break, and it actually continues to go down. But right here, you'll see that it creates this island right here. And then I'll go over to Robinhood and show you guys exactly where I was buying and how I could have played it better. So right here we have Alibaba. And if we go down to my history, we can see that I started buying the stock on January 13th. I bought half a share here, and then later that same day I bought another half a share. And my average cost was $236.48. So if we go back to the chart, we'll see that right here was actually the last candlestick on this island, January 13th. So I did get pretty lucky on my entry. However, that wasn't the right type of entry to have, because I only bought shares because I knew this thing could have consolidated a little bit longer. When a stock starts to consolidate, you want to wait till it breaks out before you hop into that position. And that's why I did not play options. Obviously, if I played options, I would have made a lot more money. However, I wanted to be safe and take the safe side by buying shares. So right here, my entry, yes, it was good. However, the best entry is after it gaps back up and shows that reversal pattern. And as you can see, if I go to where I sold, on January 20th, I got out of this share at $267. And if we go back to the chart, we'll see that January 20th was right on this candlestick after it gapped up again. So I was pretty comfortable with taking $30 in profit. However, as I said before, the safer or the best way to play this is waiting for that gap up. Here is where I should have hopped in the call option. Even though I'm missing a $10 move here, from here to here, hopping in a call option and then riding that $20 up would have made me way more money. So you do want to be careful when you're playing this play. You don't want to jump the gun too early. However, we'll also, if you see that I have the RSI and MACD here as well, the MACD was oversold on BABA not too long ago, and then also the momentum started to curl up. So this kind of gave me a good sign that BABA was heading and back in the upward direction. So that's why I was pretty comfortable with buying this play. Let me know what you guys thought about that strategy in the comment section down below, and whether or not you'll be trying it yourself. And as always, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications for more trading content.